has never had as much great opportunity for growth as there is risk of being left behind if you fail to embrace the digital transformation and innovation that is driving the world today. Consumers have become accustomed to new ways of shopping that do not follow nice, neat channel boundaries or linear shopping journeys. Retailers, now forced to navigate their way through these disruptive times, seek out knowledgeable experts, partner with technology vendors, and experiment with new ideas like never before. But all of this transformation and disruption has created tremendous noise. How is a retailer to make the right choice? How can disruptive retail tech startups connect with the right retailers ready to embrace change? How can retailers leverage all the transformative technology, be it AI, IoT, robotics, all integrated with mobile and the cloud to solve the business and operational challenges they have today? I'm Ricardo Belmar, and I've been helping retailers cut through the clutter to maximize the business value from their technology investments for the better part of the last 2 decades. I've advised retail tech startups on their go-to-market, and I'm a contributor to numerous industry blogs, publications, and podcasts. I serve on George Mason University's Center for Retail Transformation Advisory Council, and I'm currently working at Microsoft as the lead partner marketing advisor for retail and consumer goods in the U.S. Now, I'd like you to join me and my co-hosts, whom you'll soon meet, on the Retail Razor Show as we cut through the clutter to what retailers and the retail tech providers that serve them need to know and understand about how this industry is transforming through digital to fuel growth, deliver amazing customer and employee experiences, create resilient and intelligent supply chains, and most importantly, understand how to use technology to leverage the data you have on your customers and suppliers to become better retail businesses that will not only survive but thrive in the post-pandemic world. Join us on this journey where you'll meet the change makers, the people disrupting and transforming the industry, and hopefully build a better retail community along the way that allows all of us to grow and be successful while making a positive impact on the world around us. Whether you're a retailer, a retail tech provider or startup, or anyone that works in and around the retail industry, we'll have something for you. Stay tuned to learn more about our upcoming topics and guests and meet the co-hosts that'll help guide this journey. Be sure to subscribe in your favorite podcast player so you don't miss an episode. Thank you, and remember, this is the best time to be in retail if you can cut through the clutter. Until next time, this is the Retail Razor Show.